Hey guys, hey, it's your girl Brianna Queen. I am a business strategist as well as a beauty and lifestyle content creator. So if you guys have been following me for some time, you know that last year I purchased my very first home, and one of the first things I did was renovate my super ugly and outdated kitchen. I have a blog post all about how I turned my kitchen into this. You can check it out at beauty.briannaqueen.com. So anyways, I love my kitchen so much. It's still going strong 1 year later. I still get tons of compliments whenever people go into my kitchen. So I decided to renovate my guest bathroom the same way. This reno was under 150 bucks and took less than 2 days to do. Also, all products we listed on my blog, which is beauty.briannaqueen.com. So if you want to find out how I turn this into this, then stay tuned. Okay guys, this is my very basic and bland guest bathroom. It's just so blah and dated, and I definitely wanted to add a little bit of shine and glamour and feminine to it. So I wanted to do a renovation that was going to be really cheap and really easy, and I decided to do what I did with my kitchen. So as you guys can see, it's just very basic. The tub, the shower, yeah, you guys get the picture, right? So the first thing I did was just really clean my bathroom. I'm talking elbow grease type clean. Scrubbing the towels, scrubbing the walls, scrubbing the floor, scrubbing the cabinet. I'm using a magic eraser because I found the magic eraser works really good with showers and with the ceramic towels. So I despise this so ugly shower head. It's just hideous. So I went ahead and I switched this out with a shower head I bought on Amazon. I feel like my guests should be able to shower and it feels like it's raining. So I definitely got this chrome shower head that's so pretty. I actually showered just to make sure it worked really well, and I loved it. Now I was really nervous about changing the grout towel with a grout pen, but I must say this is probably one of my favorite things I did to my shower. I used the grout pen in gray to switch up my shower towels, and I loved it. It was a little tedious having to go on the lines and wipe off, but I definitely think it's worth it, and it made such a huge difference in my shower. Next up was the sink. I'm just prepping it with some painter's tape to ensure I don't get paint all over the walls, because I am a terrible painter despite me being a makeup artist. So I'm just going ahead and putting tape over everywhere where I don't want to have tape. So the sink, the mirror, the walls, you guys know what I'm talking about. So I'm using the Gianni Countertop paint kit, and I'm using the white diamond color, and I used this for my kitchen. I really liked it. So the first step is to use the black primer. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that all over the top. So it takes about 24 hours for the black primer to dry on the countertop. So as that was drying, I went ahead and started painting the cabinets white. And remember guys, our products will be listed down below, as well as step-by-step directions on my website, beauty.briannaqueen.com. Alright, so once the primer is dry for the countertop, I'm taking step 2 of the Gianni countertop paint, and I'm going to sponge this paint onto the countertop. What this does, it almost gives it like a marble effect, as you guys will see in the end. And you're just sponging it on. You want to make sure that you do allow some of the black to show through. Now I'm taking step 3 of the Gianni paint kit, and it's like a tannish color, and I'm going to go ahead and start applying that over it. I know it looks crazy right now, you guys, but once you finish it, it looks really good. At least in my own opinion, it looks really good. And I'm just going ahead and I'm sponging that all over as well. Again, you do want to leave some of the gray, you want to leave some of the black showing just to get that marble effect in the end. Now I'm going in with the very last paint out of the kit, and it is the white paint. And you're just going to go ahead and sponge that over it again. They say that you do not want it to be completely dry as you're sponging these on, just so it can kind of mix in. And again, allow some of that gray, some of that tan, and some of that black to show. You may have to do more than one layer to get the look that you want. And then once you have it the way you want, you take some of the glitter top coat, you can go ahead and you apply that. And once this glitter top coat dries, it looks really good because it's almost like an epoxy, so it makes it really shiny. So I purchased this white double mirror bathroom cabinet from Amazon. I think it's so chic, by the way. And I'm going to go ahead and install that to the bathroom wall. When you get the cabinet, you do have to like assemble it, but it was super easy. It took me less than 15 minutes to assemble the whole thing. Now I'm going ahead and I'm going to apply that to the wall. You guys, when I first bought my house, I did buy me an electric drill, and it was probably one of the best things I could have bought myself. I remember debating, like, do I really want to buy an electric drill? Do I really want to buy one? And I'm so glad I did because I used it so much. So next up was framing my mirror. I bought this wood from Lowe's, and I have a Black & Decker saw. Can't talk. And I got this from Amazon as well. Honestly, you guys, I got everything from Amazon. And I love Black & Decker because they're inexpensive tools and they are powerful enough for the little DIYs I need around the house. So now I'm just going to cut these wooden pieces to the same size as my mirror in my bathroom. You guys, don't yell at me. I know I'm not doing this in the safest way possible, but you know, I got it done and I have all 10 of my fingers. So apparently, as I was recording me putting up my frame around my bathroom mirror, I wasn't recording. So sorry about that, you guys. So I did frame my bathroom mirror. Now I'm going in and I'm caulking the frame. I'm also caulking the vanity around the bathroom. Pretty much caulking up everything, because when you caulk, it's going to make it look a lot cleaner, a lot nicer, and it's going to give it that professional look. And the final touch is adding some handles to my bathroom vanity, and I'm pretty much done. So this is my 2-day under $150 bathroom renovation. I bought pretty much everything from Amazon, including the accessories. I did buy my vase from the Salvation Army, and I did buy the soap holder and the toothbrush holder from TJ Maxx, I believe. But everything else I did purchase from Amazon. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hope you guys like my after bathroom. If you have any questions, comment down below. Any comments, let me know. So I did end up buying a half shower bathtub door, and this was on Amazon, I want to say for about $240. So I definitely want to do a door as opposed to a curtain, because I do like the gray grout. So I wanted people to be able to see, my guests to be able to shower and see the gray grout and have that sunlight naturally come in. So altogether, everything including the door came to under $500, again, under 2 days. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please shoot a thumbs up, comment questions down below. Let me know if you guys like it. If you do, again, thumbs up the video, share with your friends, your family. Until next time, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay beautiful, and stay blessed. Love ya. Bye.